Martin from OMG. Fries.
You happy?
Super. Can't wait.
Glad you like this car. Enjoy, bro.
What's up, everyone? It's dark outside. I just had a dinner, but decided to work on my 180. And Martin from OMD surprised with the new Spec 2 scrub enabler. So this is the front spacer, and currently I have Spec 1, which is 55 mil, and this is 69.99 mil spacer. So pretty much 70 mil, which is 15 mil wider than this spec. And he said I'm ready to change it to new setup with this spacer. So I gonna install the bigger spacer. Probably have to hammer out firewall. Maybe I had to cut this off here, adjust caster, whatnot. Let's do it. I'm going to change it to new setup, the front end. So here's the new spacer, which you can tell how much wider they are. 15 mil bigger. Big ol' spacer. So I installed the spacer and put wheels and trying to see where it would rub. It's not gonna rub. It has about 1 finger gap to the firewall, but this part is pretty tight, so I'll trim this part. Should be it. No issue front side. So yeah, you don't want to have any rub. When the wheel is rubbing on anything, it will make you spin, because front it will be locking. Full lock, no rubbing. This is full OMD Martin spec. Martin's short knuckle. This is where he welded, beefy. This is OMD billet tension rod. It's angled so it doesn't rub, and my sway bar is shortened. It has a rubbing mark previously, but it doesn't rub at all right now. It's a full lock. What's White's fab? I quickly shaped it. Should be all good. Let's do the other side. everything's back together. I still have to make sure the alignment, but nothing rubs. I just went on test drive. Can't wait to drift and test out the new setup. I'm gonna probably go Nico Circuit soon, maybe next week, so stay tuned. So I sold this S14 for my buddy. This thing has like insane amount of Defi. Full interior, super clean Ferrari red. Meeting up with the buyer right now.
I love it.
You happy?
Super. Can't wait.
Glad you like this car. Enjoy, bro.
Appreciate it.
Here's a homie came in the Koki S14. And then the bro has the Zenki S14. 14 boys. Well, this is yours. Nice to work with you.
Yes, sir. You too.
Enjoy.
Can you start it up for it?
Well, officially S14 sold. 悲しい？泣きそう？
泣かない。
Look at your face.
I'm sorry. You don't know how long I've been wanting.
You always wanted an S14, yeah?
Yeah.
Been looking for it for a while?
Yeah.
Nice.
Fantastic. Got it pretty quick, actually. 4 months.
Nice.
Just glad you have the sound or something nice.
The S14 boys. Look at them. They're even looking tripping. Okay.
兄弟ですね。
そうだよね。親友だって。
ここは親友。
そう。Alright, this is cool.
Oh, what's on the hood?
Knuckle video. Yes, sir. Drive safe.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure. I'm already in the new car at the up garage. About 2 minutes